Okay, what do you call this in Spanish?
Oh, vaso, cup.
No, ¿qué hay dentro del vaso? What's inside the cup?
Oh, water.
Yes, so ¿cómo se dice water in Spanish?
Agua. La agua.
Agua is correct, but it's el agua.
But agua ends in A.
I know, but just remember it's el agua. El agua.
Okay, so profe, check this, all right? Dame un vaso de agua frío.
Nope.
No. Cold water, agua frío.
It's dame un vaso de agua fría.
What? I thought it was masculine. You said it was masculine.
No, I never said it was masculine, Tony.
Okay, so it's not agua frío, so it's la agua fría.
No, it's el agua fría.
What? Not el agua frío?
No, Tony.
And not la agua fría?
No, Tony.
All right, man. I'm out, okay? I'm done. I'm so confused. I'm out.